For Randy's very special 70th birthday, we wanted to select a location that Randy would love and that our boys would be excited to explore. They flew from Atlanta to Seattle and only had a week split between the Olympic Peninsula and British Columbia. We curated the best for them and you too. Join us. We're Trisha and Randy. Welcome to our van build, plus where to go, what to see. It's adventure time. We're going to pick up the boys. Okay, our young men. We're so happy that they have flown into Sea-Tac to meet us. We're going to have a week of fun and exploration. There they are!
Oh, there they are! Hey, let me have... I spilled an entire ginger ale on my crotch, and it looked like I wet my pants. Does it still look like that?
No.
Mama, are you looking for the ibuprofen? I've got it.
Oh, he's putting some pink salt in his vitamin water. Zachar's got a headache on the flight.
Zach, honey, I've got ibuprofen.
Because he partied too much last night before a flight.
No. Terrible brat.
Way to the Olympics. Okay, we're at Oxbow, not in an official campsite. We are right outside the Hoh rainforest. That's why it looks like this. It's the wettest spot in the contiguous 48. Okay, so we're saving a site, but the boys are eating it up. Zach up on the perch.
Maybe we can make it down here on the raft.
Oh, that'd be a blast.
Well, I don't know that.
Oh, it'd be fun. Now over on the other side, it's more smooth, but I think this would be fun. We're on our way to the Olympic National Park beaches 3 and 4. Going down to the beach. There's a bunch of stairs. Oh, there's a pretty bench. So lush in here. Boys on the beach. We're at Beach 4 in Olympic National Park, and it is a gorgeous day. The boys. There's Nikki. There's Randy, the birthday boy. There's Zachy. Mom is taking the pictures. There's pelicans. And back here is a bald eagle. Is this a great way to spend your birthday?
Yes, happy 70th.
Do you?
Perfect. Wonderful weather.
Oh, those are beautiful. We're here at Beach 4 at low tide. And wow, they are just everywhere. The green anemones. Lots of green anemones. Look at this up close. When they don't have, oh, there's a cute little crab down there. Oh yeah, there's several little bitty ones. Look, when they don't have water on them, they just go in and become like little blobs. Here's the barnacles and clams. Wow. There's Nick and Randy. Okay, Zach's getting a great shot. Love seeing my boys together. There's a fish that was out of water. Nikki's throwing him back in. 2 harbor seals came up really close, and that's like one of Nikki's favorite things. So he's out there trying to get some video of the harbor seals. There he is right there. Oh, he ducked under the water. Oh, they are playing with Nikki. They are just toying with the boy. We brought the boys back to the trees. The huge tree, the big cedar. Oh, that's really cool.
Look at that.
It's a hobbit.
Send me on them.
No freaking flashy.
Wow. Whoa.
This reminds me of the redwood forest.
Mm-hmm. And that tree, the interior of its wear is kind of spongy.
Feel it.
Yeah, it is. Spongy.
It goes right here.
Oh, it goes right there. Okay.
This is a cool shot. Oh my goodness. Hold
Now, I've got to get balanced.
on. Oh dang, you're too blurry. Wait. No, slow down. Next, kind of. No.
Just to the tree.
Yes. My gram it. My gram it. Might have to gram it. Huh?
I'm walking the tree, Mom.
Yes, you are.
You better. Otherwise, you could be walking in the bushes. Here, look.
This doesn't go anywhere.
Oh, very nice. Beautiful. Well, we are having such a great birthday adventure for Randy. The boys are here, and we have a fabulous camping spot. It has been just an absolutely glorious day. And we have a deluxe place set up now. The whole family's here. So, yeah, we've set up a tent. And
We've got a fire going.
the fire's going. Right off the grill. Trout.
Mm-hmm. You took a picture beforehand, right? Nope.
I don't know. I should have taken video while I was cooking on the grill. Okay, we're trying to figure out a way to give Randy
Oh, man, it's okay.
his birthday wish. We do not have candles. Okay.
Ready?
Daddy's already,
Just light that.
he's like digging into
Oh my
the cake.
God. All right, you guys
He's
split these.
digging. He's digging into the cake.
Mm.
Where's the? No! You cannot come back here without a stick. That is on fire.
Right here.
That is on God.
Yeah.
That is
Yes.
on God.
Find it.
There's
that
no-
was your one job.
no stick
that Did it.
will
That is your
Did it.
job.
Did it. Did it.
Wait,
You're-
stop. I can get you a lighter.
Give me the
We'll
lighter.
just-
Your father's 70th birthday wish is dependent upon you.
I'm going to get
None of them will stay lit.
a lighter. I'm a dry piece of
Okay,
lighter.
we're
There's no
trying
way you put that in
various
the cake.
things. We have various
That's going to work.
attempts
Yes,
at
look.
a birthday stick
works.
candle. You can wish Randy happy birthday in the comments below.
No, no.
And many more. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Go. Oh, big wish. All right.
Yeah, we did it.
Happy adventuring.
Okay, honey. Try to even up your boat.
You'll get it. Oh, you look awesome. You look like pros.
Okay, bye, Andy. Right.
Go toward the right. See that gap? Right. Oh, she's right. Right, left, right, left, left. Okay. How could you have done this? Oh my god! Oh my god!
That looks like so much fun. I want to do it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Oh, the women's room. The waves were so powerful today, you could feel the energy. When Randy and I visited before, it was calm and tranquil. Taking his chances. It's a beautiful playground. Speaking of playgrounds. Oh my gosh, we're at Lake Crescent. That is a freaking wonderful tree.
This is perfect.
The best way to support this channel is by subscribing, and it's free. We hope that you have enjoyed this 5-part series on the Olympic Peninsula. There still remains plenty to discover for next time. We've only had a few days to show the boys our favorites. Next, we're taking them north through Vancouver to Whistler, British Columbia, their first time out of the States. We post videos on Saturdays at 10 a.m. Eastern and sometimes on Sunday too. Thinking about a camper van? See our van build playlist. See you on the next adventure.